Hi, in my future, I want to be an energy engineer. I hope to work for a large uh, technology company in Vietnam because I want to design smart electrical system. At my workspace, I want a wide desk, a comfortable chair, and a powerful laptop for my engineering project. I also need basic testing equipment like multimeters. Uh, I want my company to give me a safe, modern, and professional uh, working environment with a friendly college. Finally, I want to get good benefit such as stable salary, health insurance, uh, paid holiday, and training my technical skill. That's all. Thanks.